Welcome back to episode 2 of my Saras 7.0 series. In episode 1, we understood what Saras 7.0 is and why every school leader needs to be familiar with it. But now comes the important part. If your school is planning an affiliation application, an upgradation, an extension, and any other affiliation related process, please don't start by randomly clicking through the portal. There are a few things you need to check first. When you open the Saras 7.0 information page, you will see these five important sections, and each one has a different purpose. So let's quickly understand what you should be looking for. The official Saras 7.0 information page confirms these five sections and also specifically tells existing schools to update OSs and complete SQAAF. Self assessment before proceeding with an application. First is the affiliation manual. Think of this as your operating guide. Before you begin an application, don't assume that you already know the requirements. Check the manual for the category you are applying under, understand the documentation, requirements, and process, and then prepare. The school should not be discovering the requirements after submitting the application. Second is the affiliation bylaws. This is where I would actually strongly advise school leaders to slow down. Don't depend only on what someone told you in a WhatsApp group or what another school did last year. The bylaws are the actual framework you need to refer to. And remember, requirements can change. So always work with the latest applicable provisions. Third is the extremely important circulars, because the manual is not the only thing you should be watching. Circulars can introduce amendments, clarify requirements, announce new provisions, or change timelines. For example, SARA 7.0 currently lists Circular 10 of 2026 dated 24 July 2026 specifically regarding an extension of timelines for various categories of applications for the 2027-28 affiliate session. So here is my advice: never prepare your application using an old deadline or old circular. Always check the latest circular before you proceed. This is why the circular section matters. Circular 7 of 2026 opened applications for various categories for 2027-28 session. It also lays out the different categories of application, but just notice something important. The timeline shown here is not necessarily the timeline you should rely on today, because subsequent circulars can modify it, and that is why you should always come back to the latest circular. The Saras portal now lists Circular 10 of 2026 as the latest circular, specifically extending timelines for applications for session 2027-28. Fourth is OSS, and this is something schools should not leave until the last minute. Saras itself clearly states that existing school must ensure their OSS data is updated as on date before proceeding with an application. So before you proceed, check your data. Is your school information correct? Are your details updated? Are you carrying old or incorrect information? Because an application is only as good as the information supporting it. And finally, SQAAF. This is another step schools should not ignore. The Saras 7.2 portal specifically states that existing schools must complete their self assessment against SQAAF before proceeding with the application. So, if your SQAAF section isn't loading properly, don't simply keep clicking and assume that the requirement has disappeared. Check the portal, check the relevant CBSE instructions, and resolve the issue before moving ahead. So, before you even think about submitting an application, your checklist is simple: manual, bylaws, latest circulars, OSS, SQAAF, 5 things, 5 checks, and potentially a lot of unnecessary trouble avoided. In the next episode, we are going one step further. I'll show you how to understand the different categories of applications in Saras 7, because choosing the wrong category can put you on the wrong track from the beginning. If you are a principal, school administrator, coordinator, or school owner dealing with CBSE affiliation, follow this series. We are going to make Saras 7.2 simple, one screen at a time.